How to start a Buffalo Wild Wings takeout order with BWW GO. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. These are BWW GO. After you're in the BWW GO page here, you can click on order now. After you click on order now, it will lead you to this page. You'll find all the available items. Simply click on view item in the item you want to purchase. After you've clicked on view item in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on select a store. After you click on select a store in here, simply add your location and you'll find all the stores available near your location. Simply select one of the store and orders the takeout. This is how to start a Buffalo Wild Wings takeout order with BWW GO. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.